Let's talk about manifesting the life that you want through the lens of quantum mechanics and meditation. At its simplest form, manifesting is just a heightened state of focus that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired goal, helping to, turn it into a reality. And so we must think of everything as energy, right? Everything is energy. This plant, oh, hello. Plants are rooted in the ground and have a negative charge, creating an electrical field around a flower. And bees have a positive charge. So when the two fields interact, a connection is made. That's how they find each other. And so I sometimes think of the same with the reality that I'm aiming for, like a magnet pulling me towards it. And this means I have to match its frequency. I have to believe it. So now let's think about the observer effect of quantum mechanics, quantum physics, which is the idea that an act of measurement changes the behavior of a quantum system. So at the subatomic level, particles exist as probabilities. The cat is both alive and dead and anything in between. It's wave-like potentials until interaction causes a specific outcome to emerge. So basically, observation influences reality at the quantum scale. So now just extend this idea to the human body. You and I are composed of atoms, and atoms are fundamentally energetic systems influenced by electrical and magnetic fields. So physics shows us that when an atom interacts with an electrical field, that's the Stark effect. And then if it interacts with a magnetic field, that's the Zeeman effect. Basically, the implication is that fields influence matter. The human body is an electromagnetic system. So the brain produces measurable electrical activity, and the heart generates an even stronger electromagnetic field. And because emotions, thoughts, physiological states are deeply interconnected, it changes the mental focus and emotional intensity inside a body. It alters the chemistry, it alters the nervous system, and therefore behavior, and therefore perception. So from this altered perspective, observation, awareness, changes the internal system, and this sustained combination of thought and emotions forms belief. Belief alters behavior, and thus perception and interaction with the world. And the best way to do that is in meditation, right? You can keep this state going. The external world may remain physically identical, yet subjectively it becomes transformed because the observer has changed, and reality transforms with this adapted feedback loop. And that's the basics. Not fun. Right, I'm off. I'll see you later.